see you struggle.
Last winter of the Pointe, and they will close it for good. So why they're closing the Pointe? Can you explain us?
Interviewing me, or what?
Yes.
They're closing because they're building around 58 villas here now.
58 villas.
18 villas over here,
Mm-hmm.
and then 40 villas internal.
Internal
But these are all going to be the corner ones, obviously.
corner. And what is the price of these villas will be here?
These were just sold as plots for about 70 million.
70
That's just
million.
a plot, not without the villas.
What size of the plot?
About 17,000 square foot.
Big, big.
Not bad. And then the villas were sold around 25 million.
Wow.
But they're much smaller, obviously. Then, the villas will build.
What?
Those they'll be building them. It's plots. You'll have to basically build your own villa. And then you got the best view of.
So they sold all the plots.
Everything got sold in a private invite-only event.
Wow. So only VIP.
You didn't even know it. It was to sell.
Yeah. Oh, so nice place. So sad that they will close it down and build villas here. This is so nice place. I love the Pointe. Do you like Pointe?
It's not bad.
What is your favorite place on the Palm Jumeirah?
I think they're all Atlantis.
Royal Atlantis.
Not only because I was obviously part of the sales of it, but it's quite an iconic building.
The Austin Owl has some sentences for you to read. Read the sentences and tick the matching picture, please.
Tickling.
Yes, read.
The rabbit has a carrot.
Yes.
The dog is on the top of the bucket. A man is on the rock. Mom has a laptop.
Okay, this one.
Number 2. Bees has a good bucket.
No, again. Bess.
Bess has got a bucket.
Yes, has got a bucket.
A doll is the cot.
In the cot, yes?
In the cot.
Good job. Use your finger, it will be easier for you.
The cat has a big bed.
Yes.
The sun was red.
No, the sun.
Was red.
The sun. This is what?
Sunset.
Yes.
The sunset was red.
Yes, good job. Look who we met here. The ducks.
Mama!
Oh.
The baby duck is gone.
Where is? Oh, again he went under the water. Now he will come out. You just wait for him. He will come out.
Mama, what happened at Albarsha Park? Albarsha Park. Mom, come on.
Let's go. Oh, look. So big duck. White and black.
Bye, ducklings.
Bye. Cutie pies.
Bye, little pies and mommy and mommy.
Zayn, what are you holding? What are you holding in your hands?
A trophy.
A trophy? Who gave you that?
Happy.
Puppy, for what? What have you done?
Scoring the goals.
Wow.
Mama,
Oh,
I will go next to the bicycle. So
yes, we are going to the bicycle side. Now we're in the beautiful Albarsha Park. We will wait for our friends and we will ride the bicycle.
Two
And
bicycles.
two bicycle, yes.
Mama!
And
I want to see what the
right
Muhammad.
here.
Mama, now can I go?
Say hello.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water. Can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I would walk on glass. I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would keep my eyes. If you lost your sight, I would run through fire. I would carry you through the heat. I would do it all.
So now I'm sharing with you my grocery order from Carrefour. It's my weekly groceries. I'm ordering from Carrefour. It's a chain of supermarkets here in Dubai, very famous, and usually I order all my food from them. So first, this is the shrimps, fresh shrimps. Sometimes they send them already peeled, but this time I need to do it myself. So I like using the bistroganov beef. We don't so much like the beef eaters, but I'm trying to eat 1 to 2 times a week beef for iron. Here is Norwegian salmon. I always make sure that my kids they're eating salmon once or twice a week for omega-3 because it's very important for their brain development. And a pediatrician they advising twice a week, but twice a week I think it's enough. So here this frozen cooked shrimps. Actually, I did not order them. I ordered some seafood cocktail, but I think there was out of stock, and instead of that cocktail they sent me this frozen shrimps. So now here the salad. It's mixed lettuce. We always usually eating this mixed lettuce salad with some meal, just using dressing as a olive oil and something else, nothing special, just to have the salad on the side of our plates. And here the frozen strawberries. I love to use them for the shakes. Butter from Lure Park, it's my favorite. Coconut water, it's very good brand, very good ingredients. And as well Alpra almond. As me and my husband, we are dairy free. We don't drink cow's milk, and we always drink the almond milk, or usually it's almond milk. So this brand is the best one. There is a cheaper version of almond milk, but the ingredients is very bad. But here is 97% or 98% is made from almonds. Kettle cooked, it's chips, like more healthy-ish chips than other brands, and their taste really amazing. This chicken breast, I usually always go with brand Saha. I like that it's doesn't have free of hormones. The chicken was free of cage, and I really like this brand. Then here cucumbers usually it's local from UAE. And next we have gluten-free pasta. My husband, he doesn't eat gluten, so I cook for him special pasta without gluten. Me and my kids can eat normal pasta as we don't have allergy for gluten. My kids, I think so, they don't have. I don't have because I made a test. So here the bread. I like this bread to buy sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. It's French Village, name of this brand, and it's very tasty. It's toast, French bread sometimes I'm doing. I like to eat this bread. Potato, here is the gluten-free bread. Again, as I said, I'm ordering for my husband some pepper. I needed the pepper. Actually, for pepper, the brand doesn't matter for me. And Hero strawberry jam, I like this jam. It's just the price is okay and the taste is also good. Low fat milk for the kids, and orange juice, fresh squeeze without adding added sugar, some banana, some greens for my kebabs, homemade kebabs. Here is my favorite, not my favorite, my son's favorite snacks. He loves the sun bites. I'm giving them usually for the snacks for school. I will be sharing with you my school lunch boxes for kids when the school will start it, and some strawberries. Now in Carrefour the strawberries on sale, which is really good. Usually the strawberries is so expensive here in Dubai, but this time sometimes Carrefour is doing sale. So when they're doing sale, I'm making sure that I'm ordering a strawberry all the times, because my kids, they love strawberries. My kids and husband, they love strawberries so much. So that was my weekly grocery shopping, and it was around 400 dirhams. So after I put all my groceries away, I'm now doing a raw meal prep for the next few days, and for this I'm starting with the chicken cutlets. So for this recipe I need some herbs, which you see now. I clean them. Now I peel some carrots and I will chop them. I'm using my chopper to chop all the vegetables in my chopper, so this is the best for me. And as well I'm chopping the chicken because I never buy the chicken mince ready-made from supermarket, because you never know what they put inside, so I prefer to do my own from the chicken breast. And for this recipe you need chicken, onion, carrots, eggs, and some spices. So onion, as you see now, I'm also buying from Carrefour. It's already chopped, so it makes much easier for me to cook. But sometimes I'm also when I'm doing the meal prep, I'm chopping the onions and just keep them in the fridge. Sometimes I'm buying. So now I'm chopping my chicken, as I said, and I mix all the ingredients in the bowl, and I put it in the fridge to fry the next day. And now I'm chopping the beef stroganoff as well. I usually do all my beef recipes from mince. So it makes for me easier, as I said, to prepare the mince and put it in the fridge, and when I will cook after 1-2 days, so I don't need to do it. So like this small raw meal preps are helping me usually out.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I will walk on glass.